Microorganisms are commonly known as germs. Micro meaning very small, organism meaning living thing. Microorganisms are very small living things that can only be seen under a microscope. There are many different types of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Microorganisms are found all around us, and while some may be harmful to humans, some are very helpful. Let's take a look at a common microorganism that you may find in your kitchen. Yeast. Yeast is a type of fungi. It is commonly used in baking in order to help bread rise. Yeast works by feeding on the sugars in the bread and producing carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is a gas that makes bread rise, and that is one way in which microorganisms are helpful to humans.